gonna
What?
go to a battlefield.
Oh man! We're at the airport. Our flight got delayed again.
That's a battlefield.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
For 11 o'clock.
Yeah, from 7 to 11.
It's
7-11.
It's 7 o'clock right now. Ay!
Drop it. Yeah.
And I'm stuck alone, roaming around. We went to foreign affairs and they only accept one person because of COVID. And I have to wait outside, so I decided to take a stroll here and roam around Manila Bay. This area is actually quite nice. I've never been here. I've been to the other side. Some nice buildings. Right, so I have to stay here waiting.
Here we go again.
I'll just go and grab a coffee or something and maybe shoot some videos or something. Right, I'll get going. See you. Rooftop cartel style.